Welcome back to Review Revolt. Today, we're diving into the Facial Pore Blackhead Remover Vacuum by FLYMOO, a popular skincare tool designed to give you a deep facial cleanse from the comfort of your own home. If you're someone who struggles with blackheads, whiteheads, or oily skin, this device might just be the addition your skincare routine needs. The device itself is sleek and compact, measuring just under 7 inches in length and weighing about 12 ounces. Making it easy to hold and maneuver around your face. It features a pen-like design and comes in a clean white color that looks modern and professional. What sets this blackhead remover apart is its USB rechargeable function, which means no more worrying about constantly buying batteries. You simply plug it in, charge it up, and you're good to go for multiple uses. The display screen on the device conveniently shows both the battery status and the suction level, so you always know how much power you have left and can adjust the intensity to your liking. One of the key highlights of this vacuum is the customizable suction power. It offers 3 adjustable levels of suction, making it suitable for different skin types, whether you have sensitive, normal, or oily skin. This allows you to personalize the intensity based on your comfort and the condition of your skin. The device comes with 5 stainless steel probes that vary in shape and size, designed to target different areas of the face with precision. From the delicate nose area to broader sections like the cheeks or forehead. This versatility ensures you get a thorough cleanse no matter where your blackheads or clogged pores are located. Using the vacuum is straightforward. Before you begin, it's recommended to prep your skin with a warm towel or facial steamer to open up the pores, which enhances the effectiveness of the suction. Once your pores are open, you select the appropriate probe and suction level, then gently glide the device across your face. It works by gently pulling out blackheads, whiteheads, excess oil, dead skin cells, and even makeup residue, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and smoother. The manufacturer advises following the instructions carefully to avoid skin irritation or bruising, as applying too much suction or holding the device in one place for too long can cause discomfort. Besides the vacuum and probes, the kit also includes replacement accessories, all neatly stored in a compact box for easy organization and portability. This makes it an excellent option not just for daily home use but also for travel. The product's wattage is low, around 3 watts, so it's energy efficient while still delivering powerful suction. Although it's primarily designed for blackhead removal, this pore vacuum also helps with acne management and can even aid in reducing fine lines by promoting better blood circulation during use. It's marketed as suitable for both women and men, making it a versatile skincare tool for anyone looking to improve their complexion. To sum it up, the FLYMOO Facial Pore Blackhead Remover Vacuum offers a customizable, rechargeable, and portable solution for deep facial cleansing. Its range of suction levels and multiple probe options cater to various skin types and facial areas, helping remove blackheads and impurities effectively. Just remember to prep your skin before use and follow the guidelines for a safe and effective treatment. If you're interested in giving this product a try, it's available on Amazon with detailed specs and a full accessory kit included. Thanks for watching Review Revolt, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. See you next time.